how to refresh your LastPass vault. So you can refresh your LastPass vault in several ways. So here on the website, you just simply need to click on Ctrl+R on your keyboard. So you need to combine the Control key and the R key on your keyboard, and it will automatically refresh the website. But if you're on Mac, you just simply need to combine CMD+R to refresh the website. And if you are on the desktop app, just simply click your account in the top right corner or wherever it is placed. And there should be an option of refreshing your vault. And on the browser, you could also go to your extensions, then click on LastPass, then click on account, click on fix a problem yourself. And as you can see, there's an option of refreshing your vault right there. So just simply click on refresh your vault and that should do the trick. But if you're using the mobile app, you just simply need to pull down on the vault to refresh or clear the local cache and the settings menu to force a full resync. And that is how you basically refresh your LastPass vault.